Up guys, it's Polish Bullet. Today we're gonna test the tires finally. I missed the previous snow. Today it's snowing, 7 in the morning. Let's go baby. Okay, now it's time to find some parking lot. Hopefully there's still some snow before they plow it, you know, and see what those tires can do. As you guys can see, the road is clean already, but some of the parking lots, not yet. Hopefully you can find something to slide on, you know what I mean? Just have some fun. I hope you guys enjoy a little Polish Bullet Gymkhana. You know, the tires actually hold up pretty good. I was surprised. There was not that much of a slippage, you know. So yeah, the Nexans are not that bad for the price and everything. I mean, I know they call it sport, but there's not much sport about it, you know. But still, yeah, they hold up pretty good. The car is controllable, easy in a slide, no problem. You gotta just turn off all the traction control and everything, even in the N mode. I don't know why every time you pull the handbrake, the sounds start beeping. A beep, 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 beep. It's just annoying. I don't know why they did that. Even in N mode, like I said, everything's off. So, but it is what it is. I mean, I had fun, you know, enjoy a little bit of a winter slide, and yeah, the car holds pretty good. So, yeah, I encourage you to test it in the safe environment, okay? So they don't sue me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.